Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Allen.
Today, boys and girls, we're going to work on division again. And you know how important division is to us. So what we're going to do is I'm going to present a little PowerPoint. And with that PowerPoint, you're going to interact with it. I'm going to ask some of you to come up and start working each step of the division problem. So what you need to do is you need to work it out on your paper and your notebook. And then, as each step comes up, I want you to be able to tell me what step you're working on and what you're doing, how you're going to do it, how you're going to attack the problem. Does everybody understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first of all, this is the standard that we're working on. We're working on 4 NBT 6, which is only, it's so many words, but what I want to explain to you, all it's telling us is that we're going to learn how, and we have been learning how to do it, is divide by 1-digit divisors and 2, 3, 4-digit dividends. So that's all we're going to do. That's all that all tells us. We worked with arrays, we worked with different types of pictures to get us where we need to be. So today, we're going to do that. So what I wanted to ask you is, can somebody tell me the 4 parts of a division problem? Abram?
Dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder.
Fantastic. Hunter, can you tell me what a dividend is? Talk loud, baby. I need to hear you. What is the meaning of the word dividend?
The total amount being divided into equal shares.
The total amount being divided into equal shares. Fantastic. What about a divisor? Jordy?
The number you divide by.
The number you divide by. Good. Candace, can you give me quotient?
The answer in the division problem.
The answer in the division problem. Lance, give me that remainder.
The amount left over in a division problem.
Fantastic. So that's all the parts. That's all the important terminology that we use in a division. Here we go. So here we do. We have the divisor, the number you divide by. Everything you guys have said so far has been perfect. Dividend, the total amount being divided into equal shares. Quotient, the answer in a division problem. The remainder, the amount left over in a division problem. Fantastic. So now, let's solve it. This is the problem. Take your pencils out right now, real quick like. I'll give you about 3 or 4 minutes, and I want you to solve this problem quickly. And as you solve this, then you're going to come up to the board one by one and start each step of the division problem. The problem is 2,125 divided by 4. Let's go. Solve in your books. 2,125 divided by 4. Good, keep going. Do each step as you've been taught. Good, keep going. Y'all have become pros with this at this point. Keep going. What are you doing? You're fine. No. You need to bring it down. Remember, 3 times 4 is, do your multiplication first. Good. Now bring down your next one. First of all, let me ask you this. How many of you are complete? Fantastic. Let me ask you this. Is this how we set up a division problem?
No.
Very good. So the first person that comes up, what are you going to do?
Write it the right way.
Write it the right way. Thank you. So, let me see if we're writing. No, we're not. Huh, you need to write it the right way. Mila, you ready to come up and do it the right way? Okay. Set it up for us, Mila. Go ahead. Make it up high so everybody can see it and make it big enough. Did I not give you the pen?
Right here.
That's all right. Okay, who wants to take on the next step? Bree, come on up. Tell us what's the next step, Bree. Talk loud. Okay, so what are you going to figure out? So what do you put up top? Okay, and she subtracts. Okay, leave it there. Who's the next person that wants to take a chance at it? Senor, use your voice. What is my next step?
We have to bring the 2 down.
Make it right hard on the board.
Then we have to see how much that 4 could go into the 12. It's 3.
Okay,
And then subtract.
4 times.
4 times 3 equals 12.
Good.
And it's 0.
Next person that would like to come up. Come on, Hunter. Use a big voice.
Bring down your 5. 4 goes into 5. 1 time. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract. Equals 1. Remainder 1.
Fantastic. What is that called when we need to check that math problem? Gregory? Multiplication. Who's going to do that multiplication check for me? Come on, Abram. The whole thing. Take your, what are you taking?
531 and multiply it by 4.
Very good. That's all right, just scratch it out. That's good. What do you do with that remainder?
Add that.
Okay. That's good. Did Abram do this right, guys?
Yes.
How many thumbs up tell me that you got this right answer? 531, remainder 1. Thumbs up. Fantastic. That's a great job. So now what we're going to do, as a class, you're going to work with your shoulder butt. We have a little activity, and I'm going to show it to you. This is going to make me jump again. And it's called Write It, Solve It, Check It. Each one of you will get one, so you work with your shoulder buddy, and you have to write my equation is, write it. What you're going to do is you're going to take from your playing cards. Every twosome has a playing card. You take from your hearts a divisor. Take from your other cards 4 dividends. As you're doing this, everybody's going to create their own problem. And then you're going to work with your partners to figure out how you're going to solve it. Write a word problem to correlate to it that matches it. Make sure it matches. And we have talked about word problems forever long. And that's how you're going to get to it. And then some of you are going to come up and share. Because I want to see how you got to it. So let's get started. I'm going to give you about 10 minutes. Pull your cards. Deal your cards out. Make sure your cards are shuffled well. Okay, face down. Face down. Put your cards face down. You can have all the cards except for the hearts in the deck. Your hearts are your divisors. Everything else, it doesn't matter. These cards can all be scrambled. It doesn't matter how these are. Turn your hearts over and then choose 4 cards as your dividend. Choose. Let's go. We don't have that much time. Choose 4 for your dividend. 4 for your dividend. Put them down. Pick 1 heart as a divisor. 4 hearts. 4 other cards as a dividend. Let's get started. Good. Solve your problem. Write your equation where it says my equation is. You do the same problem. Both of you do the same problem. 1 problem so that you can both understand and make up the word problem together. Let's go. Good. Think of how to solve it. Both of you solve to make sure you come up with the same answer.
Oh, yes.
Let me hear some talking so that I know that you understand. What's the problem? Tell me, baby. You solve it right there in the big box. Put it under. That's right. How many times will 9 go into 9? Good. Track. Bring down. How many times will 9 go into 5?
3 times.
Bring down.
8 times 3 equals 42. 9 minus 4 comes to 2 goes to 26.
Good.
Bring down the 8. 3 goes to 6.
You got this. You got this. Good.
8 times.
Good.
Alright, bring down the 8.
Good job. Got this?
8 can go into 58. I'm going to
Check it. Check your answer. It has a special place to check your answer, guys. Make sure you check.
Had 8 without going over. Closest we had is 7. Multiply and check it.
Good.
Oh yeah.
Bless you.
No, I have my How about this? You should 2,589 remainder 1.
Very good. Now, did you check it to make sure y'all are both right?
3,498.
What's up?
He
Yes.
divides
Yes.
into 8.
2 times 3 is? Subtract.
Yeah.
Bring down your last number. Good. Y'all look good? Y'all got a good?
So that's the equation.
Good.
This is what alright.
Did you check? Make sure you check your answer. How many times will 3 go into 26? Fantastic. Think about it. 3 into 26. Do your 3s.
I played the oh yeah, I'm not even can't use it. So
21. Very good. Somebody's time.
oh god.
Okay. here. And then 8 times 3 is? Very good. Good. Very good. Now you need to come over here and multiply 1,582 times 3.
Alright, now the last thing, check.
Y'all made a question? Good.
Check your word using
Good job. Good job. Have y'all thought of one yet? Think of a word problem.
8 times 2 equals 32.
That thought of a good word problem?
8 times 3 equals 32. Wait, 24. 24.
Think of a word problem now. You got the right 1,063. You're missing a 3 up your baby.
Alright, now 8 times 4 equals 32.
You didn't bring down your last 2. Why didn't you bring down your last 2? We just put a 3 up there. You're not supposed to put a 3 up there. Get the 3 out of there. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Hold on.
Alright then.
I don't know what Gregory did. Gregory just
You added
not finishing all his stuff. 1,063. Bring down your 2, baby.
And what did you get?
Did you bring down your 2? Yes? Are y'all ready? Is everybody ready?
Yes.
I got 4 times 2.
7. And then subtract.
Yeah, first
Then I'll
is
give
8
you your remainder. Do your remainder.
You get
Okay, has everybody finished writing a word problem? Get your word problem done. Okay. Okay. Get it done so that we can go on. You only got about 2 minutes. Write a word problem, you 3. Yes, with your problem. You have this is your number and this is your divisor, and then you get so many.
Okay. You need
Okay, great. Have y'all gotten one? Think of a Where did that go wrong? How many times did 9 go into 9? 1 times 9 is? Fix it. Fix it. Yes. Yes, you do. How do you get to the end? You have to have a closing right there. Come on, guys, you have to come up with a word problem. You have to use your total. That's your total. And you have to divide it by 9 and give your answer, which is 1,063 remainder 5. How are you going to use that in a word problem? Think about what you have to do in a word problem. Think of a word problem now. Use the word. What I got?
Okay, let's check. My equation is 3,498 divided by 2. So I ended up here. It's 437. Write a word problem times your equation.
Okay, are we ready so that some of you can read your
Why don't you have that many apples?
Wait, how many apples is that? 9,850.
Okay, let's go with you two first, since y'all are on the end. Let's go with you two first. Make sure you read it loud and clear so everybody can understand what you did and how you did it. Loud and clear.
Wait, read it.
Read your word problem and how you answered it.
Jack has 9,857 lollipops. He wants to divide them into 6 of his friends. He would keep the leftovers. How many will he keep? Jack will keep 5 lollipops.
Okay.
Now the problem?
Yes.
Okay. Our problem was 9,857 divided by 6. We got 1,642 remainder 5.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Good job, boys. Good job. You two ready? Come on up. Okay.
We had 7,768 chocolate bars. He would split them between 3 friends and keep what was left. He got 1 chocolate bar.
And all his friends got the rest?
Yes.
Imagine how sick his friends are going to be. How long do you think they're going to take to eat it? A long time.
Maybe like 5 minutes.
You think so?
How
How many does each friend get?
Each friend gets 258 chocolates. 2,589 chocolate bars.
Wow. Okay, you two ready? Good job. Mila and Jordy? Loud and clear. Real loud. Read your word problem, guys.
Tom has 2,787 toy cars. He has 464 cars to each of his 6 friends. How many cars will he have left?
The equation was 7,087 divided by 6, and we got 464 remainder 3.
So how many is he going to keep? 3. Very good. Good job, girls. Okay, Abram and Alex. Loud and clear. Big voice.
Miss Allen has 7,834 cards. She wants to divide them equally into 6 groups. She will keep the rest. How many will she keep?
How many will I keep?
She will keep 4.
Only 4, and how many are y'all getting? 1,305. Wow. Good job.
6
Good
groups is
job.
only up to the corner.
Okay. I like that. What about you two, Hunter and Maddie? I like when y'all use me in y'all's equation.
I just made it for
That's all right. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. Let's be quiet.
Jimmy had 8 bags with 5,926 candies divided into. How many candies were divided equally, and how many were left over? Jimmy will have 6 left over and 740 candies in each bag.
Good. Yes.
The equation was 5,926 divided by 8. Our answer was 740 remainder 6.
Very good. You two ready? Brayton and Mackenzie?
Brayton had 4,586 cookies. He split the cookies with his 3 friends. How many will his friends have? His friends will each have 1,642
That's really good. I got that. You're only getting 2. You're such a generous little soul, aren't you? Good job. Ready? Okay. Loud and clear. Okay, guys, listen up.
$5,759 to buy 6 real diamond earrings. How much does each pair of earrings?
That's good. That's a good question.
Each pair of earrings cost
$959 for diamond earrings. I hope she gets me a pair for Christmas.
Get my mom.
Okay, very good. What are you?
Genuine.
Okay, guys.
$959 divided by 6.
Good. Answer?
$959.
Good. You two girls? Come on. Come on, Carla.
I'm gonna talk. You're not talking. Ryan has 3,498 cookies. He divided it by 8 friends. How many cookies will each friend get? How many will he keep? Each friend will get 437 cookies, and he will keep 2 cookies.
Okay, good job. What was your division problem? Say it.
3,498 divided
Good. Okay, so you guys ready? No? Okay, good. So, okay, guys, we worked on division really well today. And so, now that we finished it, does anybody have any trouble with division now?
Nope.
Thumbs up, everything's good, huh? We know how to divide equally. So if you went into the real world and you had to divide something in the grocery store to make sure you had enough money to buy it, could you do it? Yes. Good job, guys. Well done. So when you take your test tomorrow, you're all going to make A's, right?
Yes. We'll try. We can't make it.
Okay, good.